Kanlong sisa kasngi kamar sa jingkan mau hak history jong ki paidbah nong song ki bahap apo ka Nongpoh town committee hakaba menta kasngi lala ban saki ya ka jing urlong jong kowe ka project ka ban ai jing muntoi ki paidbah bat ka baderu ka project ka bala sateng menta la bun snem ya kane ka project ka balatip kum ka Nongpoh solid waste management lawan ban pli paidbah no menta kasngi dau menteri rang ba ka jala ukon rat ke sangma ha sangling Nongpoh. Kuman kedua hang ne ka Nongpoh solid waste management nani ka jingte ya ka jaga the jaklia jong ka Nongpoh town committee ki bakat kum ka juk bamenta ka deru ka project ka bala sedang nadu snem arja pra aja khandai ka bala sateng menta la bun snem bat ketiga jingte kala korru syakan ru klur tam ie lala ban pedep bat ban pli paidbah no menta kasngi bat ka ban sedang trikam no hakisngi ki ban sawan la sakilang hakane kasngi bala pli paidbah ya kane ka project do ba Hamlet Doling menteri katanat profesor Ubak Meral Bonds MLA ka Nongpoh Constituency, Ubak Jason Sokmi Maulong, MLA ka Umsning Constituency, Ubak Paul Lengdo, Executive Member ka KHADC, KMDC, ki bakuntup ya Ubak Balajit Rani na Nongpoh, Ubak Victor Rani na Jerang Constituency, bat Ubak Charles Marngar na Po Mauhati Constituency. Laidon langru hakane kasngi da Ubak Federal War Engineer in Chief ka Muda, lambat kuwe-kuwe ki kenrem ki Lendan. Haka jinga dan langru ki officer na kita nak trekam sorkar per jong kane ka district kalbai ka jingalang la peniat ka kong RM Kurba deputy commissioner jong kari boy district haka ne ka sngi lai sakilang ru ya kane ka sngi ka bansa jikan mau da kinong elam ka Nongpoh town committee ki bakutup yo ba CBSM kumu chairman oba regional kharkamni secretary ki rorang ba ki bakutup yo ba RR kensai makdo lembat kuwe la punpu punping ru ya kane ka program bamenta sngi leng ba ki jingroi bag jing sat tanrai balai simenta de ki kena school jong ki school ki badon hapok ka thain Nongpoh town committee.
blessed day, I should say, because we have Bar Paul with us and St. Paul also with us. Children of St. Paul's School also here. So it's a great day, and indeed I'm very happy, in fact, to be here, because in the last few days we have been continuously talking about the subject of waste management. And policy has come out. I was in Nongpoh yesterday for the solid and liquid waste management project, inauguration of that out there, of course in a different scale and a different project altogether, but nonetheless solid waste management. And today we are here to inaugurate this very long pending project of the solid waste management. And at this point in time, I must appreciate the initiative that was taken by former Chief Minister and the former local MLA from here, Sir Dr. Didi Lapang, and the then Urban Affairs Minister, who is present with us today out here, Sri Paul Lingo, for having had that vision to really look at what are the problems and challenges that are coming because of urbanization, and come up with this beautiful project, almost about 7 crores worth of projects. And today we are here that finally, after many delays, many challenges, many issues we faced, we are here today because of the efforts of our Honorable Minister, Shri Hamdat Sandore, and the efforts of the Director and the entire Urban Affairs Department and the Deputy Commissioner and other officials, who really took a lot of pain and effort to ensure that this project ultimately was completed. And as was mentioned by Mr. Hamlet, that as a government we have really been trying to ensure that all pending issues, pending policies, pending projects, where significant investment has been made by the government in the past and is almost near completion, we are making an effort to ensure that that happens. Because we feel that 90% of the work has been done, and just with a bit of more push and commitment from our side, we will be able to ultimately complete those projects, and the public in general will get the benefit that they deserve to get. And therefore, this was one of the projects that was there in our list also. And I must also, of course, add on to what Mr. Hamlet has mentioned, that apart from visiting him, Bob Melbourne used to visit me also every day he used to come. So it is not just you, but I also used to. And I just told Bob Melbourne that now that 2-3 projects are over that you have been pressing for, I hope you will come so often to my office. And he replied saying that now I will come even more. Because now things are happening and I would like to see more things happen in Rivoy. And I must say that he is very, very passionate about what he does and very committed. And I think all the MLAs of Rivoy, I keep telling people throughout the state that this time Rivoy district has, really given excellent members of the Legislative Assembly. And really all of them take so much of interest. I take so many review meetings in all the districts. And I can tell you when I call the MLAs, hardly any MLAs come. But in Rivoy district, every time I have a review meeting, all the MLAs are present. Said that, I think this program and this whole issue of waste management, I think we need to really look at it from, from an economics point of view also. Yesterday when I was speaking to the people in Nongpoh, I was telling them that our economics has a bit of something to do with waste management, I should say. Because as you all know, we are governed by GDP. And what is GDP? We always look at GDP, SDGP, state gross domestic product. And we say, well, we have to touch 7%, 8%, 10%. And you know what that means? That means the more we consume, the higher our GDP is. So when government spending goes up, when private sector spending goes up, when the net import or export, goes up, the GDP goes up. Everything is consumption based. More we consume, the more our GDP. This is the mind frame of our economics that is driving us. You look at GST now. A GST is a consumption based tax. You may end up producing whatever you produce in Maharashtra or UP or Tamil Nadu. But it is a destination where the consumption takes place. That is a state that benefits ultimately of the GST.
Snem, I like to express my happiness to be here with you people here in Nongpoh today. Because for a very long time, we have been anxiously waiting for this project to be completed. All of our speakers, they have mentioned about only the long pending project that we have in the state so far. But we are happy that we got this government, MD government, under the leadership of Akaki Sarma. And I should thank him for giving me the portfolio of Urban Affairs Department. As soon as I took over to handle the issue of urban affairs, I have streamlined to see what are the pending projects that we have in the state. But I am very happy to inform you that almost all the pending projects now is nearly completed. Just to recall you back, we have already inaugurated the solid waste management project in Tora. Now it's functioned. We have already inaugurated the IST in Tora. That also functioned. We are yet to complete the Nongpoh plant there in Martin, Shillong. Just a 2 months time. That also we will be completed so that we can address the issue of waste management here in Shillong. And today, we have completed and inaugurated the solid waste management project here in Nongpoh. This government is serious. This government is very committed to complete all the pending projects. I know it's not easy. It is very tough time for the government. But I will say that we will try our best to address the issue, to solve the issue as early as possible. Because we understand a pending project at the end of the day will not benefit anyone. But any project that has been started, even from the past government, I hope it will benefit the people of the state and also the people in every district of the state. So now, talking about the solid waste project. As reminded by the Director of Urban Affairs, last 2 years there is a 9 we are having a cabinet meeting in Tura, where we have approved the solid waste management policy to cater the needs only for urban areas. But in the cabinet we have also decided that the policy of waste, whether solid or liquid, should not confine only in urban areas. But in the cabinet we have decided that even rural areas, we need a policy. Without a policy, it is very difficult to move forward and to go ahead with any project. We need a policy. Without policies like playing football without the goalposts. We need policy. But for rural areas, we have limited the matter to the chief secretary we will convene a meeting with the different department of the state to see that in rural area also we need the same policy.
Iwan kong ini tempau pergi sungguh ni honorable chief minister konrak ke sama ya Pak Hamlet Sondoling kum urban affairs minister ya mahe doktor di Lembang bola initiate na do ka sedang ni kene projek ya ki officer na po ka urban affairs na po mudah baro ya ka town committee ki balaya tristom angkat ban ni kinong kemat ha ka ba layo ban inaugurate ya kani ka Nongpoh solid waste management project ka bolong si benta naga benta bakum ginong song di baham po ka town committee iyo ban budin ya gijing lek khut ya subah ha ka kani ka project kan nong gijing arab sibun naga benta kisnong repair ke baham po ka town bakin lum ya kini ki jabo ki bami ki yeng gisem ban segregate iki ha kom ko badai plastik naga jong ki wipat ki caklia ke bami nagi yeng kisem nagi snong ki thau ha ka ba lalek kerpang lang ba jeng project ni solid waste management ha ka ba kin terlihat ia ki tu ki jabo baro ha ka ba kin speni ia kan sebo baru bermi kompos ka ba ngajing rap nam bagi nong rap jongi te gajing tmuhi kalong bakum bangi tip ha juk jongi menta khamtam ni don kam jeng lek khut ya suba budin ni kam bat ni song komen sibun ba nilai bagane project kala urlong tadi project kala sa snem dari mendak sini ni sokumen bakal long bandingin scam bakal long dimutoy na gabantag paidbah nong song di jong kan ko town ni borowe
ang iya kadon kajing slam habang train project boleh ka bampor adu
kita sibun di daw di challenges ki bakum ke department dia tu la bendai ka ting dunai ke fun la bendai ki dan technical problem yang kai kandre finally ni songu mementag ni project kala long kata ketika positive effort kepada yang government but ini kinong bikmat bagi department ni teriak